So I'm getting right into it, and I start off with my foundation. My face is already clearly moisturized, and I already did my eyebrows. And if you want to know how to do your eyebrows, I have another video that you can click into. I'll put the link in the description. But I start with my face, putting my foundation all over. The most important part of this video is the makeup that I have literally never done before. So this is my first try at this look. This is my first try at a Halloween look in general. And I'm going through that journey with you guys. So next I'm highlighting. I'm doing kind of a little glam look underneath my Pennywise makeup. So I'm blending out my concealer, in the regular spots under my eyes because those bags are crazy, on my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And of course, I do my eyes also because I'm doing eyeshadow today. So I go in with my honey setting powder from Fenty Beauty, the usual spots as well, under the eyes, forehead, chin, and nose. Follow that up with the Airspun Loose Setting Powder. It smells really good, but it's very white, so I don't use it often. I'm doing it under my eyes so that the fallout from my eyeshadow doesn't ruin my makeup. As for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be doing a very dark eyeshadow because, this is Halloween look. And I don't want to look like a raccoon. So first I'm going in with a deep brown just to kind of make my eye look, a little defined, give it a little definition. And I'm doing that in my crease, a little bit closer to my brow, and just like making like a little triangle kind of in the corner of my eye. And then I go in with the black. I start with just the lid and use another looser brush. I don't know what it's called, but to blend that in and, just bring it up. And you can see me just blending and blending and bringing it higher up to give it like a smoky look. And then I go in with the black on the lid one more time. So it looks like, it's kind of like, fading out. Gets real dark on the lid and fades out when it goes higher up to my brow. I bring that same black to under my eye and make myself look a little bit dead because it is Halloween and that's what I'm going for. So I'm going in with my contour brush that I mentioned in the last video and just doing a little bit on my cheeks and on my forehead. I don't go hard because, like I said, the most important part of this look is not, this part. It's the Pennywise. So I do a little contour on my nose as well. And I put on a little bit of blush. And finally, I start in on drawing the lines for this Pennywise look. So Pennywise has these red lines going down his face, starting from like his forehead, across his brow, down to his mouth, and it kind of looks like a smile. So first things first, I thought that drawing these lines was going to be a lot easier. It wasn't. These shits came out crooked. I could not get a straight line for the life of me. Nothing was even. They weren't symmetrical. Like, I was having a hard ass time. Like, I kept having mistakes. I kept having to like go back in and try to like fix it. And eventually I was just like, F it all. And I was like, whatever, this is Halloween. I'm clearly a clown, so I might as well look like one. So I'm going in with a lipstick from Lime Crime. I don't know the exact name of the shade, but I'll put it in the video or in the description box. And I'm just shading in those lines that aren't symmetrical. But at this point, I was too far into the makeup to stop. So yeah, I just kept going and hoped for the best. this is about the point where I realized that one of the lines is crooked or like more curved than the other, and I consider starting over, and then I'm like, nah, deciding that I'm going to just stay with my crooked Pennywise lines. I start in on my lips and I'm doing it the same red. I'm bringing the lines down to the corner of my lips to create that smile I stated. And I also go in and put some of that same red on my nose to complete my clown look. I end up adding some highlight because I can still be a cute clown, you feel me? After I'm done with the highlight, I just go in and set my whole face, use some Halloween vampire blood to add some, character to my costume, and I'm done.
So hey guys, I am finished with my first Halloween look, and this shit looks crazy. It looks crazy, but it's my first attempt, so I'm proud of myself. I usually just do basic shit for Halloween, and this is my first real try to do like some shit. So stay tuned for my next Halloween look and help me slay October. Mwah. Love you guys. Bye.